Hi and welcome. I am here today with HTC Desire 21 Pro, and I'll be showing you how to both enable and disable NFC. So first we have to open our notifications bar. We do that by swiping our finger from top to the bottom like this. Now we have to expand this section right there by simply again moving our finger to the bottom. Now let's swipe right and NFC is right there. Tap on it to enable it and tap on it again to disable it. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.